Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Samir Sudana. Welcome to the episode on Train Your Brain. This is episode number 2, Milk and Jar Puzzle. A very important one and the interesting one, guys. Please have a look at it. Try this set. Let's see how many of you can solve it. It's based on your quantitative reasoning skill. Let's quickly read the information. It says a milkman have a big container full of milk. Now people come for buying milk in the range of 1 liter to 121 liters. Milkman have only 5 jars to draw milk out of the container. All containers are of different sizes. What should be the capacity of the largest jars so that milkman can measure any amount of milk in the range of 1 liter to 121 liter? A jar has to be used only once to measure the milk. So two important point is that there are total 5 jars, right? And you are supposed to decide, you're supposed to find out the size of the largest container with the condition in mind that any amount of milk from 1 liter to 121 liter can be measured with the help of these 5 containers. And the most important information is that a container has to be used only once to measure the milk. It's not that if I have a 1 liter jar and if I want to measure 2 liter, then I will be using a 1 liter container for 2 times. No, it's not possible, right? A 1 container can be used only once, right? It cannot be used twice. All right. So what do we need to do? Let's have a look at it, guys. How to handle the set. Let's see that. See. So let's say these are 5 container, right? This is a container number 1. This is the largest container, guys, right? This is a largest container. Let's take the container number 2. This is your second container. This is your third container. This is a fourth container. And this is the smallest one, the 5th container. I want to find out the size of this container so that any amount of milk from 1 liter to 121 liter can be measured by the milkman. So the smallest has to be a 1 liter because there is no way of taking out 1 liter of milk from the large pool if you don't have a 1 liter container. That's for sure that the smallest will definitely be 1 liter, right? Now, if I want to find out the largest size container, right, the capacity of the largest size container, and with the 5 containers only, I need to measure every amount of milk possible from 1 liter to 121 liter, right? So therefore, now keep this in mind, guys. The next size of the container should be chosen in such a way that maximum numbers can be calculated. Now, should I be taking it 2 liter? No, I should be taking 3 liter. Why? Because if I take this as a 3 liter, then a measurement of 2 liter can be taken by taking 1 liter milk out of this container. Why I'm not taking 2 liter, guys? Why I'm not taking 2 liter? That's an important question that you all need to understand. Why not 2 liter? Because if I take this as a 2 liter container, then I'll be able to take 1 liter, I'll be able to take 2 liter, and maximum I'll be able to take 3 liter with the help of these 2 containers. But if I take this container as of 3 liter, now in this way, I will be able to fill this 3 liter container, and then with the help of this 1 liter container, I'll be able to measure 2 liter. And also by combining these two, I'll also be able to measure 3 plus 1, that means 4 liter. And because I want the sizes of the container in such a way that maximum numbers from 1 to 121 should be counted with as many less jar as possible, with as many less container as possible, right? So what you need to do is, if I'm taking that this is an X liter, this is 1 liter, the next thing that I want is to measure 2 liter. So I need to choose the size of the container in such a way so that if I subtract 1 liter from this, I should be getting the next number, that is 2. So the size of this container should be 3 liter. Now, if somebody is coming and demanding a 2 liter milk, then what will I do? I'll fill this container of 3 liter, and with the help of this 1 liter, I'll take out 1 liter and I'll be left with 2 liters. So a demand of 2 liter by anybody can be met with the help of these two. And a demand of 3 plus 1, 4 can also be met. But now the problem is a 5 liter. So therefore, I need to choose the size of this container in such a way so that if I subtract this whole 4 value, the next number that should come up would be 5. So the value of X here would be 9, right? Value of X should be a 9 liter here, right? This would be 9. Okay. Now, what will 9 do? What you can do is, how will you measure 4 liter with the help of, how will you measure 5 liter with the help of these 3 containers? If I fill this milk container, I'll be able to put 9 liter of the milk. Then I can take out 3 liter from this by filling out this. And then I can take out 1 more liter by filling out this. Then I'll be left with 9 minus 3 minus 1. That means a 5 liter milk will be present over here, right? So I'll be finally left with a 5 liter milk in this particular container. What about 6? If somebody come and says for 6 liter, then I can fill it and then I can take 3 liter from it with the help of this and I'll be left with 6 liter here. If I want to go for 7, what will I do? I can take 9, I have a 9 liter, I can fill it. I can take out 3 liter from this, I'll be left with 6 liter. And with the help of 1 liter, I can put in 1 more liter from here, then I'll be able to measure 7 liter also. What if somebody come for 8 liter? 9 minus 1, 8. What if somebody come for 10? 9 plus 1, 10. If somebody come for, so with the help of these 3 containers, you can see that the maximum amount that you can measure would be 9 plus 3 plus 1, that means 13 liter. Now the problem comes for 14 liter. So what should be the size of it? Whatever is the size of this, X minus all the milk of all these 3 containers should be the next value, that is 14. So the size of this container should be 27. Now I can fill this with 27 liter milk. Then I can put 9 liter here, 3 liter here and 1 liter here. I'll be left with 14 here. What if somebody come for 15? What you can do then, 27 here, I can put 9 here, 3 here. So out of 27, 12 will be poured in here and I'll be left with 15 liter milk here, right? So you see that with the help of this, the maximum size, the maximum amount of milk that you can take would be that you can measure would be 27 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1, right? That would be 40 liter, right? So the maximum size that you can take out would be 40 liter. So up to 40 liter, you will not face any issue with the help of these 3 containers. But the problem comes for 41 liter. I don't have any way to measure 41 liter. What if somebody comes and demand for 41 liter of milk? Then I need to choose the size of this container in such a way that if I subtract these whole values, right? If I subtract the whole value of 40 from it, I will be left with the next number, that is 41. So the size of this should be 81. Now out of 81, if I put 27 here, 9 here, 3 here, 1 here, I'll be left with 21 liter milk here. And similarly, out of 81, if I put 27, 9 and 3 here, I'll be left 42. So any amount of milk till 41 till 81 plus 27 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 can be measured with the help of these containers. That means up to 121 liter, any number can be counted with the help of these 5 containers. So the size of the largest container would be equal to 81 liter, and that is the correct answer to the question. Hope you got the concept. A very important, guys, right? And this must do concept for everybody who's preparing for logical reasoning and data interpretation for CAT and other MBA entrance exam preparation, guys. Guys, there's a bumper offer going on for CAT 2021. You can go for 6-month subscription and get additional 1 month subscription for your CMAT, ZAT and IFT exam preparation. And you can also use the referral codes LRDI Samir Live. If you use this code, you'll get a 10% off on Plus subscription. In the description part of the video, I have given you my Telegram group link where you will find thousands of videos link. And in this channel also, you'll find 500 plus videos. Please subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please like it, share it with all of your friends so that it can help those friends also, right? Those friends of yours also who are preparing for CAT. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates on all of my upcoming videos for your CAT exam, CAT and other MBA entrance exam preparation. In the description part, there's a Telegram group link where you can find links of all of my special classes as well as my upcoming courses on Unacademy Plus. And if you go for this plus code, right, if you use this code for plus subscription, I'll be helping you for your CAT exam preparation throughout the year. You can talk to me anytime, right? I'll be mentoring you personally, right, for your CAT exam preparation, and I'll help you out in clearing, in doing your complete 100% syllabus on Unacademy Plus. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next part. Thanks a lot.